A sticker peels, printed ink fades, a laser mark stays put. That is the real appeal of industrial laser engraving services. They turn ordinary items into permanent, polished pieces that can handle daily use while still looking sharp. For many shoppers, engraving starts as a gift idea. You want a name on a tumbler, initials on a tool, or a meaningful message on a keepsake. But industrial engraving brings another level of value. It is ideal for metal parts, professional gear, durable accessories, and items that need crisp, lasting identification. When the mark needs to look clean and hold up over time, laser engraving is the smart choice. What industrial laser engraving services actually do? Industrial laser engraving services use focused laser energy to mark a surface with precision. On metal, that often means a clean, permanent design that will not wash off or wear away like surface printing. The result can be simple, like a name or serial number, or more customized, like a logo, icon, or detailed layout. This matters because not every personalized item is just decorative. A nurse may want a clearly marked stethoscope that is easy to identify during a busy shift. A tradesperson may want a tool engraved so it does not get mixed up on the job. A business may need branded metal items that look professional and stay readable through regular handling. In each case, permanence is not a bonus. It is the whole point. Why laser engraving works so well on functional products. The biggest advantage is durability. A laser engraved mark is made for real life, not just for display. That makes it a strong fit for products that get used, packed, cleaned, carried, and handled often. It also looks more refined than many other marking methods. The detail is sharper, the finish feels intentional, and the final product has a professional appearance that works for both gifting and practical use. That balance is what makes engraved products so appealing. They feel personal, but they also feel useful. There is also flexibility. Industrial engraving can work beautifully for one custom item or a small batch of matching pieces. That opens the door for gift buyers, event planners, schools, medical professionals, and small businesses that want something more distinctive than off-the-shelf merchandise. Best uses for industrial laser engraving services. Some of the most popular uses are easy to understand because they solve everyday problems. Engraved tools and accessories help prevent mix-ups and add a personal touch. Medical items, especially those used in shared or fast-paced environments, benefit from clear identification. Metal business accessories and branded pieces create a more polished presentation. This service also works well for commemorative and milestone gifts when you want something stronger than a novelty item. A personalized pocket tool, engraved nameplate, custom metal tag, or marked professional instrument has staying power. It is thoughtful, but it is also built to be used. At Signature Laser Designs, that blend of precision and personality is what makes engraved products stand out. A custom mark can make a product feel more meaningful without taking away from its everyday function. What to look for in industrial laser engraving services. Not all engraving is equal, especially when metal and high-use items are involved. Good engraving starts with clean artwork, accurate placement, and an understanding of how different materials respond to the laser. Stainless steel, coated metals, anodized surfaces, and other materials can each produce a different look. That is why it helps to choose a service that cares about both appearance and usability. If the engraving is too light, it may not show well. If the layout is off, even a great product can feel less polished. Strong industrial engraving should be crisp, readable, and well matched to the item itself. It also helps when the engraving provider understands the product category. A gift item needs visual appeal. A professional item needs clarity and durability. A branded item needs consistency. The best results come from treating engraving as part of the product, not as an afterthought. Is industrial laser engraving right for your project? If you need a mark that lasts, the answer is often yes. It is especially useful for metal products, frequently handled accessories, workplace gear, personalized professional tools, and gifts meant to feel substantial rather than temporary. That said, the right engraving approach depends on the item and the goal. Some products are best for bold names or initials. Others can handle logos, short messages, or finer detail. If you are buying for a gift, readability and placement may matter more than technical specifications. If you are buying for work or branding, material compatibility and long-term wear become more important. The good news is that industrial laser engraving services can serve both needs at once. You can get something that looks thoughtful enough for gifting, and durable enough for everyday use. That combination is hard to beat, especially when you want personalization that feels intentional from the first look to the 100th use. A well-made engraved item does more than carry a name. It carries purpose, identity, and a little extra pride every time someone picks it up.